pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey.
Potatoes are at $6.97 for a 10-pound bag. Spaghetti squash. I didn't put them on there, but we need some. Fill us with bananas.
You want it?
All right, finally some seeded watermelons.
Seeded.
I need. It's at $6.98. The seedless ones are $6.98 also, but we want the seeded. This is what we got so far, y'all. It was so many people on the other side. I didn't even turn my camera on, really. But we got 2 things of bread, cheese, cilantro, spinach, peppers, tomatoes, bananas. Found my seeded watermelon. Jordan got, I got some. Riri got a thing of beef. What's that? Ground beef. I got my turkey. My turkey sausage.
Bacon.
Riri needed bacon. I got my ground turkey. So Mimi got my turkey. Haha. I ain't get that other fat. So you ain't got to holler at me. This is my girl. I got it. What? Air fryer? I think so. It tell you they air fryer ready. The $1.98. Hold on. Here we go. Crescent rolls. Great value. $1.98. I don't know what kind do y'all need, because I still have butter left from last month.
I got it.
Huh? We'll get the tub.
Well, that would be smart to get the tub rather than
Get the blue bonnet. It's bigger with calcium right there. And then I guess just get 2 of them, and I can freeze one. I don't know.
2 of what?
Of the 2 of the tub ones. And I can just freeze one, and she can use. They can use one.
What's the difference between that one and the other?
One just say extra calcium. They need all the calcium they can get, I guess. All right, we don't need eggs. I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna get 1 thing of milk. Well, the Land O'Lakes is $6. This one is $5. Prairie Farms $8. You need a big one or a small one? I'm gonna get me some cream, coffee creamer, but I don't know what kind I want. All right, I need 2 of these cream cheeses. Jordan need one and I need one. Here, Auntie. I need these 4 things of this, please. Did she want the crumbs or did she want the pack?
It says graham cracker crust.
I'm gonna get her these because she didn't say what she doing with it.
Did you get the pudding?
No, I gotta get it. I gotta get the chocolate. Banana cream. Oh, Jesus. Family size cherry. And strawberry.
Yeah. And then you got Twix written on here.
That's Jordan's. Strawberry. Now, and I don't know what she's making with this, but she's making something. What else?
Salt, salt, pepper, flour.
Yeah.
No, there's a shortage on paprika.
It's a shortage on everything. Let them
No,
tell
I
you.
said pepper. What's this?
That's my bell pepper stuff. How you doing? I need some black pepper. And I get these pot-sized spaghetti.
That's what you use for spaghetti?
Yes. And then I know she want me to make her some. Well, just get another thing of the fettuccine, please. Because I know I'm making chicken Alfredo. I'm going to do some shrimp Alfredo one day.
Can I come over?
Yes, ma'am, you can. You can. Jordan got to get honey. And they don't have any. So Philip just try to look.
You don't
I'm
eat
happy.
this?
No.
I'm gonna have to go to the one in the
He
past.
got 3 jars. He got 4 jars and a half.
4, are you sure?
3.5, 4.5 is one of them. I know.
Okay.
I can put this one.
Well, I'll get him some from the past Walmart. They always be having them there. Now I gotta get my syrup because Philip been tearing up all my caramel. Here you go. Frozen okra.
Let it be down on the front. That's it.
That's what she. And I need this because I will be making something. I guess, dear. Well, here, babe. Here. She just want the regular fudge bars. She don't want the sugar-free ones, though.
Nope. These?
How many in there? I don't know if that's the kind I get her. I think I used to get her one that had like 24 in them. There they go. How many in those?
12.
We'll get 2 of those. Please.
They got these down here that has 20.
That's good. That's good. Alright, that should be it, right?
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go get grandma.